Have you ever wondered about a simple yet powerful elixir that can work wonders for your body? Look no further than turmeric water. In this video, we'll reveal why your body craves this golden concoction every single day. From its incredible healing properties to its profound impact on your overall well-being, get ready to embark on a transformative journey. Discover the secrets of turmeric water and witness the incredible changes it can bring to your life. Number 12. It's a great fat burner. Obesity is a widespread concern, increasing the risk of various diseases like heart conditions and diabetes. But fear not, because we have a secret weapon: turmeric water. Just a half glass of mild, warm turmeric water daily can work wonders. Studies show that it actually suppresses the growth of fat tissue, helping you shed those unwanted pounds. But that's not all. This magical elixir also regulates sugar levels and prevents fat accumulation in the body. Remember, moderation is key. So sip on this golden goodness responsibly. Now picture this: you're having a gloomy day, feeling down in the dumps, and even your pet rock is starting to annoy you. Well, you're in luck, because there's a delightful secret that might just turn your frown upside down. Number 11. It's a wonderful mood booster. You see, inside your beautiful mind, there's a substance called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which plays a vital role in your happy neurons' communication. But when depression comes knocking on your door, those BDNF levels might take a nosedive. But worry not, intrepid explorer, because a fascinating study from 2017 unraveled a grand secret. It's turmeric. Yes, that yellow magical spice found in your pantry. Turns out, turmeric water might just be the missing puzzle piece to your cheerful expedition. This extraordinary elixir has the power to relax your mind, soothing it like a cozy hammock on a sunny beach. It sprinkles motivation and calmness into your life, whisking away stress, anxiety, and even the grumpy companions known as depression. So the next time you find yourself in the gloomy shadows, unleash the power of turmeric. The woes of achy joints and the stiffness that comes with the pain. But fret not, for there's a marvelous remedy that has been battling these foes for ages. Number 10. It reduces arthritis pain. Turmeric holds the key to reducing inflammation and easing the burden of arthritis pain. You see, arthritis pain is like an unwelcome guest that overstays its welcome, causing swelling and stiffness in your precious joints. But turmeric is packed with a mighty compound called curcumin that helps it unleash its anti-inflammatory powers, soothing those cranky joints and alleviating the pesky symptoms of arthritis. With just one warm glass of turmeric water gently coursing through your body like a superhero on a mission, the swelling can be reduced, bringing the relief you deserve. So grab a cozy mug, fill it with turmeric water, and let it be your daily companion in the fight against arthritis pain. If you're seeking to embark on a day filled with less trouble in your stomach, look no further than the enchanting powers of turmeric water. Number 9. It fights indigestion. Scientific discoveries have revealed that turmeric water holds the key to improving digestion, and here's how it unfolds. Deep within your wondrous body lies the gallbladder, a gallant hero responsible for producing bile and other digestive enzymes that ensure your food gets properly broken down. And guess what? Turmeric water has the power to coax your gallbladder into action. Infused with a mystical compound known as curcumin, turmeric water becomes an influencer whispering sweet instructions to your gallbladder. It encourages the production of bile and those essential digestive enzymes, making sure your meals are met with the optimal digestion they deserve. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out impurities and keeping our bodies in harmony. But alas, sometimes those noble organs get wounded in battle. Number 8. Tackles kidney diseases. Sometimes our kidneys can face nephropathy, a kidney disease caused by damage to the blood vessels within. Often, this affliction befalls those who have battled diabetes for an extended period, known as diabetic kidney disease. But this is where turmeric comes in, armed with a remarkable compound called curcumin. It has the power to slow the progression of nephropathy, offering hope to those embroiled in the battle. In some cases, even the triumphant recovery from this disease has been witnessed among those who embrace turmeric water. Speaking of turmeric water, now is a good time to reveal the secret ingredient we talked about earlier: black pepper. Did you know that taking turmeric water with black pepper could amplify its effect by 2,000%? I know it sounds insane, but it's true. The thing is, black pepper, just like turmeric, has a secret compound in it called piperine, which amplifies the body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. So yeah, you might want to consider adding black pepper to your turmeric water to give it a boost, but you might need to be careful not to stain your teeth, so either wash your mouth after consumption or drink with a straw, and if you don't like black pepper, keep watching. We have another secret ingredient up our sleeves. We all yearn for that flawless, vibrant glow, free from the clutches of acne, eczema, and psoriasis. What if we told you how to make your dreams come true? Number 7. The Radiant Skin Reviver. Our skins are the canvas of our bodies, and many times we embark on costly endeavors, seeking solutions in expensive creams and potions. But why chase after elusive remedies when nature offers a cheaper alternative? Turmeric, a natural blood purifier, possesses wondrous properties that can bid farewell to skin woes. Within its golden depths lie antioxidants that combat not only acne but an array of skin ailments such as dryness and pesky pimples. Sipping on turmeric water like a refreshing elixir can improve your complexion, even out your skin tone, and gift you with a healthy, luminous glow. It even dares to slow down the hands of time, helping you retain a youthful visage. So why seek far and wide when the solution lies within a humble glass? Turmeric also helps the body fight against a long-time foe. Number 6. It reduces cholesterol. The mighty battle against high cholesterol is a foe that threatens the well-being of our hearts and puts us at risk of serious conditions like heart disease and stroke. However, turmeric has a proven track record in the art of lowering cholesterol. You see, cholesterol comes in different forms, and the bad cholesterol is the one we need to keep in check for optimal heart health. Here's where turmeric comes to the rescue. Its exceptional properties act as a shield against high cholesterol, aiming to protect your precious heart and keeping it beating strong. As LDL cholesterol levels decrease, you pave the way for a healthier cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of heart-related ailments. Turmeric can also help manage excess sugar in the body. Number 5. It combats diabetes. Recent studies have shed light on the remarkable benefits of turmeric water in the realm of diabetes management. Type 2 diabetes, characterized by elevated blood sugar and insulin levels, faces a formidable foe in turmeric water. Its consumption has been shown to lower blood insulin levels and reduces blood sugar levels, offering promising support in the fight against diabetes. Turmeric can also help tackle a formidable foe that robs us of memories and clarity as we age. Number 4. Helps to treat Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive condition leading to memory loss and dementia, can find its match in turmeric's embrace. This golden treasure holds within it a medicinal compound called curcumin, renowned for its antioxidative properties and the ability to enhance the growth of brain cells. The compounds present in turmeric water act as guardians, blocking the formation of protein substances that wreak havoc on cells and tissues, gradually leading to the onset of Alzheimer's disease. If you aren't already stocking up your pantry with turmeric, then you might need to hear this one. Number 3. It prevents cancer. In health, one of the most feared adversaries is cancer, and turmeric water has been clinically proven to possess remarkable anti-cancer properties. It acts as a shield, reducing the risk of cell mutations and combating factors contributing to cancer's growth. With its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric water becomes a formidable ally in the prevention of cellular damage. Research even suggests that it can aid in repairing damaged cells and possesses anti-tumor properties, illuminating a path toward hope and healing. So raise your glass to the battle against cancer. Turmeric also helps to ward off intruders from your body. Number 2. The perfect immunity booster. Within the depths of turmeric lies a treasure trove of endotoxins, antivirus, and antibacterial properties. Hence, it is an ally in enhancing your immune system. Studies have delved into the wondrous effects of turmeric water as an immune modulator, bolstering the body's defense against viruses, flu, and other common infections. Its antibacterial properties serve as guardians, warding off intruders and fortifying your body's natural defense mechanisms. These remarkable allies lower the risk of cancer, standing as a testament to the multifaceted benefits that turmeric water offers. And finally, to crown it all, turmeric helps the organ that keeps your body going. Number 1. Helps protect the heart. The heart, a resilient organ that beats tirelessly, requires care and protection to thrive. Turmeric, on the other hand, can reverse many steps in the progression of heart diseases. Curcumin, like a guardian angel, improves the functioning of the endothelium, the inner lining of the blood vessels, and regulates blood pressure. It even aids in blood clotting, expediting the healing process. Turmeric water has the potential to decrease the risk of a heart attack by a remarkable 65% and also stands as a barrier against cardiomyopathy, a condition that impairs the heart's ability to pump blood effectively. Another secret ingredient that could lend turmeric a helping hand is healthy fats. These good fats act as sidekicks, swooping in to enhance the absorption of turmeric's superhero compound, curcumin. They team up in a dynamic dance, creating a powerful duo that your body will love. Curcumin, being fat-soluble, gets a boost when it's accompanied by these fantastic fats. Drizzle a little coconut oil or olive oil onto your turmeric concoctions to unleash its full potential and give it a superpower upgrade. There you have it, the simple recipe for turmeric water. To enjoy its benefits, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ground, grated, or powdered turmeric into boiled water. Give it a good mix, and voila! Your turmeric water is ready to be savored. The best time to indulge in this golden elixir is in the morning, kickstarting your day with a boost to your immune system. Now, let's talk about the side effects. Generally, turmeric water is well tolerated and does not cause significant side effects. However, in some cases, individuals may experience mild discomfort such as stomach upset, nausea, dizziness, or diarrhea, especially when consumed in high quantities. It's crucial to note that moderation is vital. We recommend sticking to 1 glass of turmeric water daily to reap its benefits without any adverse effects. In rare instances, extremely high doses of turmeric, over 3,000 milligrams daily, have been associated with dangerously abnormal heart rhythms. Therefore, it's best to stay within the recommended amount. Thank you for being so patient up to this point. It's greatly appreciated. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and enable alerts to avoid missing out on future videos from us and much more. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body. And we'll see you in the following video. Stay safe.